Hi, this is Chantel from WTI, and when we were remodeling our kitchen and I found out I was going to get spice drawers, I could not wait to get my spices organized. The AOZITA 24-piece glass spice jar set is exactly what I was looking for. It comes with a silicone funnel, which makes filling the jars mess-free. I love that the shaker lids are easy to pop on and off, and the metal caps are airtight. Each jar holds 4 ounces and comes with labels for every spice you could imagine. But I also appreciate that it comes with blank labels so that you can make your own. The sleek design of the black and white labels match my kitchen perfectly. I love cooking, so with everything organized in an alphabetical order, it makes grabbing the spices I need so easy. Having everything labeled in these pretty jars has been so aesthetically pleasing, and that's my point of view.